Sharks ruled the oceans for 430 million years. That's longer than the dinosaurs walked the earth, longer than Mount Everest have stood, longer than trees have even existed. But 20 million years ago, something changed. Something began hunting the hunter, and that should terrify everyone that's ignoring what's coming in the AI revolution. Most businesses today are stuck in shark mode, moving fast, acting tough, doing everything manually. It worked for a while, but hustle can't compete with evolution. Then came the orca, bigger, smarter. It hunts in packs, it learns, it adapts, and it teaches its young to hunt with precision. It doesn't work harder, it works smarter, just like your business can with automation. Sharks hunt alone. They rely on instinct, brute force, and speed. They've barely changed in hundreds of millions of years. No innovation, no coordination, just raw power and repetition. But orcas, they strategize, they communicate, they delegate. One distracts while the others strike. Every move is efficient and evolved. Today, most businesses operate like sharks. Solo operators, manual processes, grinding for every inch of progress. It's hustle over systems, labor over leverage, and it's killing your scalability. Orca mode businesses delegate to machines. They automate the repeatable. They build systems that learn, improve, and scale without burning people out. At Blackfish AI, we don't build businesses that swim harder. We build businesses that think like orcas. We help founders automate intelligently, delegate without hiring, and design systems that adapt in real time. This isn't about working more. It's about evolving how you win. Check out our videos below to learn how to build the tools to automate. And if you want to start automating like an apex predator, grab our free N8N starter kit, links in the description. And with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
And hear the echo call. Born of the fury, I was made to